Well, hello there, welcome to this cabin tour of a balcony cabin here on Ventura. So now we've lived in this room for coming up to 24 hours, we thought we'd give you a cabin tour. It's a bit more practical than just walking in, because now we know kind of like we have a little issues here and there, so we can go through them with you. So as you walk in, very nice corridor, don't know what to say about the corridor. Full body length mirror, just here, so before you go out you can check yourself before you go into the corridor and make a fool of yourself if you haven't done your hair properly, like me this morning. And then to our left we have the bathroom stroke closet space. So I will go into the bathroom first. So I'll take you with me. Whoop. Okay, so the bathroom is quite a nice size. We do have one issue with it, and that is that, you can see it right there. It is a curtain, shower curtain instead of a glass shower, so obviously that does stick to you while you're showering. It's quite annoying. So in here you have some space for your towels up there, and you've got some hand towels as well. You've got a sanitary bin on the floor, extra toilet rolls, and on your toilet you've also got a bin in the bottom corner. Some facial tissues here and your sink area. So the toiletries that come with this room are the White Company toiletries. As you can see, we take quite a lot with us. So even though it's only a 4-night, we have quite a lot of bits and pieces. Large mirror here. I'm trying not to like get into the shot so you can kind of see it, but that's not going to work, so I'm just going to come in with you. And then this mirror kind of wraps around this side as well. That's quite fun. And this is the shower. Now the shower, yeah, it's not the biggest shower. You've got a little clothesline there for drying the towel, hanging the towel up as well. But it's an odd shape too. But it's not the biggest, it's not the best, but it will do for this cruise. And again, you've got some shampoo here and some body wash. It's a little bit rocky, so that's why I nearly just fell over there. Also on the back of the door you've got some more clothes hooks just here to put your towels on as well, and then your information about how to reduce your footprint. And as you can see, this is your closet space just in front with our life jackets up there too. Bear with me a second, I'm just going to jump out of the bathroom. So now I'm out of the bathroom, just a reminder as well, on the floor there is a lip going into the bathroom, but that's on every ship anyway. So the closet space, similar to Britannia actually, it's quite a large kind of storage space. You've got plenty of hooks and hangers, and we've kind of segmented it into Dan's side, my side, space for shoes down below as well, and then just kind of like your miscellaneous bits and your life jackets up in the top corner. But just behind me we have this cupboard too. Voila, cupboard. So yeah, more storage space, and you have a safe as well, which is locked at the moment. Fairly big. We managed to fit an iPad in there earlier, but not a MacBook, so yeah, if you want to leave your Mac somewhere, it won't fit in there. So to come back into the main room, living area, we went for the twin option, mainly because we like our own space and our own duvet, because otherwise we just steal them off each other, because the bed isn't big enough. I like to have a big bed. So we've got singles each, and they're surprisingly comfortable. The only thing we've noticed is this ship vibrates a lot, so when you're like laying in bed at night, your head rattles away with the vibration. It can be moved into a double if you don't want that, so we requested it when we checked in online that we prefer a twin to a double, and they just pull the beds apart. So you also have aircon controls here, up for warmth, down for cold. So the only weird thing that we noticed here is where you've got this bedside table and you've got a light on here, fine. When it's moved into a double, this is obviously on the other side, but these light switches here are fixed. So I'm assuming when you're in a double, you just have light switches like next to your pillow, which is rather odd. But this is actually quite handy. So we've used this, it's got 2 drawers and some storage space underneath. So this is kind of like our, well, it's currently like our medical section and underwear. And then just round this way. Ooh, it's a bit rocky. I haven't had a drink, don't worry. Another bedside table on what is now my side, which again is more of like a food storage area, so like Pringles, Haribo, lots of bits and pieces. Another good thing about these beds is there's enough space underneath to store your suitcases. Voila, one large suitcase. The lights are quite nice as well. These lights, horrible at night. These lights here are like a nice kind of dark yellow, so it's yeah, I like it, it's nice and warm. This desk space and a telephone, voila. plug wise, it's 3 plugs. It's not great. And before we got on the ship, we bought these, which are plugs with USB ports on top as well. We thought we'd use those on the ship. However, one issue we have with this room, even with the normal plugs with USB underneath, there's not much space, and that doesn't fit in properly because of the mirror. It does, but it hangs out, so it's a little bit, bit strange. But there's another plug over by the tea and coffee, the kettle, so that's quite handy. There's also a US plug, I believe it's a US plug anyway, just here, and a light switch for your desk space. Underneath the desk you do have this cupboard, so more storage space. Again, it's quite embarrassing what we've got in there, it's just more food. We're only away for 4 nights, but we've packed like a weekly shop of like bad food and crisps and yeah. Anyway, over to this side. So yeah, the kettle is quite good. It doesn't take too long to heat up. You do get 2 biscuits every day, perfect. But we did ask for extra milk because we like our tea and we like our coffee, and we only had like 6 when we came in here, so we asked for extras today. And our cabin steward just bought loads, which is really good. TV is a little bit small, it's on the small side. It's not been too bad. We've seen people say, oh, they don't use a TV on a ship anyway. We do. We like to fall asleep to a movie or whatever. But it'll do, And there's also navigation, and you've got the master camera, so that's great. And then you've got the fridge. So the fridge, obviously it's not stocked with anything, and I don't even know if you can see it from there. But you can take drinks on board, so we've taken our own bottles of water, as well as a couple of cans of cocktails, which, passion fruit martini, lovely. And the best thing about this room is the balcony, so let's head on out there. So it is quite a large balcony, so you do have 2 deck chairs each, a little footrest and a little table as well. The furniture's a little bit old, it's on the like fade-in side, but that's similar throughout the cabin as well. Everything needs a bit of a refurb, but it does, especially it's only 4 nights, and it's quite a nice ship. Enjoyed watching this cabin tour. If you did, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button just down below, and we'll see you later.